Hello, Raider Justice students. My name is Andrew Bolin, and I have the distinct pleasure of being your teacher for the 2020-2021 school year. You are enrolled in Essentials of Legal Services. You know what that means? We already know each other because I've had you last year. So you get stuck with me one more year. A few things to remember about Universal Remote Learning, or like what we call it, EARL. For EARL, you're going to need a charged device. I know you can do it. When you go to sleep at night, plug your computer in. You got this. You'll also need a stable internet connection. And then lastly, the best thing that you can have, the absolute positively best thing that you could have and bring to class every day is a positive attitude. And I know you can do that. A few other things to remember. We're going to be practicing the 5 C's this year at Alpharetta, which are to stay calm, stay connected, stay courteous, always be courageous, but above all, remember to celebrate. Celebrate everything. You're doing great things. We're doing great things. Celebrate everything because you need that positivity. Lastly, I wanted to mention, it's time to go over some expectations for the first day, just so you know what to expect. So on the first day, you're going to access, on August 17th, the first day, you're going to access Dr. Kersey's email that has the bell schedule. Once you open the bell schedule and you find that you're in my 3rd period, my 5th period, whichever one, you're going to see what time that class period starts, and you're going to log into Microsoft Teams to the session. How do you do that? Well, you should remember a little bit from last year, but I'm going to show you again. I know it's been a long summer. So, go to your Microsoft Teams. This is the page that you're going to see. You're going to need to then, you got a whole lot of tabs and you got a whole lot of channels. You're just going to need to make sure that you click on class meetings. Once you get to class meetings, you're going to see this blue thing up at the top. It's a blue button. Mine's not blue because there's not an active session, but you're going to see a blue button that says join. And when you click join, I'm going to be there waiting for you. I'm so excited to kick off this school year with you. I'm excited for what this year has to hold. I'm excited for how we're going to get to know each other a lot more. I'm just excited. I can't wait to welcome you guys on August 17th. So yeah, I'll see you then.